Have you ever met someone who is magnetic? If you have, you've undoubtedly been impressed by their ability to garner admiration and respect. And it may surprise you to know that you likely possess some of these alluring traits yourself. For some people, charisma comes naturally. For others, it takes some effort. Whatever the case may be for you, knowing exactly which personality traits make you magnetic can help you improve in every area of life. Even if you don't consider yourself physically attractive, you could still be one to light up a room, make friends with ease, and bring warmth to any situation. Don't you believe on me? Here are 12 personality traits that make a person magnetic. I bet you've got at least one or two. Before going into the further details, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you would be able to watch our upcoming videos. Number 1. Authenticity. It's hard to be compelling when you are putting on an act. That's why magnetic people never pretend to be someone they are not. If they seem interested, excited, or even annoyed, it's because those are their true emotions. People with magnetic personalities are always true to who they are, so you don't need to worry about any ulterior motives. Furthermore, the authenticity of these people serves as an example for others to follow, and their influence is greatly valued. Number 2. Sense of humor. People who possess magnetic personalities are funny, and their humor is never at anyone's expense, including their own. Self-deprecation, cruel criticism, and poking fun at others. These are the faults or types of humor that push others away. So magnetic people don't even get close to those kinds of jokes. Instead, their bright and charismatic nature puts people at ease and creates connections through laughter. At number 3, free imagination. Those who possess charismatic magnetism tend to be creative thinkers too. A part of what makes these people so magnetic is their ability to see things from different perspectives. This helps them work through every possible solution to a problem. It also helps them collaborate well with others and understand new ideas. Having a free imagination also means that they don't censor their ideas and worry about their contributions being good enough. This perspective avoids judgment and enables them to acknowledge others' input without criticism. Number 4. Healthy optimism. Magnetic people tend to have a healthy dose of optimism, and their positive attitude is never misplaced. They are always able to see the bright side of any situation. But their upbeat approach never invalidates the feelings of others, especially during difficult times. People with magnetism are never over-optimistic or dismissive. And when it comes to the classic glass half full top, they couldn't care less about how much they have. It's the quality of what's in their glass that matters. At number 5, full of empathy. People with magnetic personalities find it easy to relate to others because they are full of empathy. It makes sense that we are drawn to those with compassion. Empathetic people are incredibly generous when it comes to their time and emotional energy, making them the ideal friend both in times of distress and celebration. People like this are great listeners who are skilled at providing validation, advice, and comfort. At number 6, well-spoken and articulate. Whether they need to comfort a friend, motivate a colleague, or share their emotions, magnetic people are aware of what needs to be said and how their tone can change everything. That doesn't necessarily mean that they love public speaking, and there are plenty of people with speech impediments who possess magnetic personalities too. When a magnetic person struggles with something, they often use it to their advantage, since it helps others perceive them as more relatable or approachable. They are not perfect, but they always seem to know just what to say and how to say it. Number 7. Well-versed and knowledgeable. Those with magnetic personalities have growth mindset, and their hunger for knowledge often involves information regarding people. No, that's not a fancy way of saying gossip. It means they like to learn about the details, strategies, and even histories that affect others. This could mean getting to know someone better, learning about sociology, reading about current events, and even practicing more meaningful engagement with others. And whatever they learn, that knowledge is definitely put to good use. Number 8. Thoughtful and considerate. Magnetic people care about the well being of others. Much of their attraction comes from their thoughtful behavior towards people. They genuinely want to have a positive impact on the lives of others. From colleagues to family members, such a person cannot tolerate a toxic environment. So they'll do everything in their power to make it nurturing instead. And if they slip up in their nearly unflattering kindness, apologies and amends are not far behind. Number 9. Inspires others. It's probably not a surprise that magnetic people are also inspirational. Not only do they serve as a role model for healthy attitude and behaviors, but these people also actively inspires others to be better. They offer encouragement, motivation and support to anyone who needs it, while never forcing anything onto people who don't want it. Magnetic individuals believe that everyone has good in them and that everyone can do better. And these beliefs are contagious. Number 10. Natural curiosity. If you were alone with a magnetic person, you would feel like the most interesting person in the world, and not because you were being tricked with fake interest. Those with attractive personalities possess a natural curiosity that gives them a genuine interest in people's stories, experiences, passions, and knowledge, and they freely give that interest to you and everyone they meet. Their interest also helps them remember details about what they have learned, including many names and faces. Number 11. Sincere and honest. A lie is like poison. It can kill a relationship, and magnetic people know this. That's why they avoid lies like the plague. No matter the length or depth of a relationship, they are always honest and sincere. These people would never dream of hurting someone with a lie, which is why they are always upfront about their intentions, values, and beliefs. As sincere people, they never hide their true feelings. So if you ask them what's on their mind, expect an honest answer, even if it's not pretty. That's not to say that magnetic people wear their hearts on their sleeves. Just because they don't lie doesn't mean they share everything. Number 12. Strong self-confidence. Magnetic people have a strong sense of self-confidence. They don't rely on external validation, and they definitely don't let criticism, scrutiny, and even hateful comments impact their self-esteem. People with magnetic personalities hold their own by knowing their true worth and refusing to spend energy on those who don't recognize their intrinsic value. For these people, failure and rejection are not things to be feared, but rather necessary evils on the way to success. They are happy to receive feedback from colleagues, friends, partners, or the universe, and they use that information to grow up. So viewers, what you have the main takeaway from this video? It means that having a magnetic personality isn't about looks, abilities, or noise. It's about who you are deep down and how that makes other people feel. And it isn't a gift that you either have or don't have. It's something you can work on and improve. If you nurture these magnetic traits, people will naturally begin to gravitate toward you. And when others feel good in your presence, they look forward to seeing you and they enjoy spending time with you. After all, people may forget what you did or what you said, but they will always remember how you made them feel. What do you think about it? Which of these traits do you have? And which ones do you need to work on? Please comment below how you think after watching our video. Thanks for watching. Always happy and be blessed.